operators are placed after two operands, and infinite expression means operators are placed between two operands. So this one is postfix expression. Let's convert it to the infinite expression. There is multiple operator, plus, minus, or exponent, multiply, divider. No. So whose exponent is high? Whose precedence is high? Exponent precedence is high. So this will execute first. Okay. This is postfix expression. So first two operands, then one operator. This will execute first. So the remaining expression will come as it is. And converted to infinite expression means operators placed between E and F. Now the multiply and divide, this precedence is high, but this will not be executed because before multiply and division there is no two operand. Before multiply there is two operand, so this will execute first, but division is not be executed because before division there is no operand, there is operator present. Okay, so this will execute it. A B plus C minus D, and operator is multiplied, so it will come reduced, then E exponent F. Okay, and remaining expression will come. Then plus, minus, division, minus. So whose exponent, whose precedence is high? Division precedence is high. So check, before division there is two operand present or not. Before division there is one operand, but this is not a operand, so this will not be executed. Next check, plus, minus, minus. So before plus there is two operands, so this will execute it next. Okay. So A plus will come between, then B, and remaining is expression will come as it is. Okay. Now check division minus. Before division there is no operand, only one operand, so this will discard. Now check multiply minus. Before minus there is two operand. This is one operand and C is another operand. So this will be executed. First A plus B. Okay. Minus C. Minus C, and remaining expression will come as it is. Okay. This is one operand, this is another operand, and this is operator divided. Now it will be executed because before divider there is two operand present. So this will be executed. A plus B minus C. Okay. Now division will come between these two operands, and and G minus come as it is. Now this is one operand and G is another operand, and after these two operand there is operator present. So in infinite expression, if this minus will come between these two operands, so A plus B minus C division B This is one operand. Next minus will come and then g. This is the result. This is the infix expression of this postfix expression. So now let's convert this postfix expression to prefix expression. Prefix means operators are placed before two operands and postfixes operators are placed after two operands. So there is multiple operators present whose precedence is high, exponent precedence is high, so it will be executed first. This is postfix expression. So before this operator, that is two operand present or not, this will executed first. Now this is converted to the prefix expression. So operator will come before these two operand. So exponent will come first, then E F, and remaining expression will come as it is. Now there is multiply plus minus division whose precedence is high, multiply and division, but division will not be executed because this is before this there is no two operand present, so this is not be executed. Before multiply there is two operand present. This is one operand and this is another operand, so this will execute now. Okay, so a b plus c minus, this will come first because this is prefix expression converted to a prefix expression. So multiply first operand and second operand is now this division precedence is high, but check there before this division operand there is two operand present or not. Before this division operator there is only one operand present, so this will not be executed. So AB plus it will be executed because it will come first because prefix expression. So plus AB and remaining expression will come as it is. Now this will executed next because one operand, C is another operand and minus is operator. So this will executed. Operator come first, minus, then plus A, B, C. And remaining expression will come as it is. Okay. Now this division operator will be executed because before this division operator there is two operand present. So this will executed next. Now division will come first, then these two operand will come. This is one operand, G is another operand, and this is minus. So after these two operand is present. So this will come first. Minus division, first operand is this. This is the result. Okay. This is the prefix expression of this postfix expression. Thank you.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का, दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए।